Please be sure to read the instruction manual and all labeling on the car seat prior to use. Unfold the load leg on the bottom of the base until it clicks in the down position and the indicator turns green. Place the Sirona S with the load leg hanging over the edge of the vehicle seat. Pull out the lower anchors from the back side of the base. Squeeze the recline handle, push to the full upright position, and swivel the seat to access the belt path. Pull open the belt path cover on the base. Lift and position the Easy Lock handle to expose the belt tensioner. Slide the orange button on the belt tensioner, then move the Easy Lock handle toward the car seat and pull up to open the belt tensioner. Make sure each connector is oriented in the correct direction. Attach each lower anchor connector to the corresponding vehicle anchors. You should hear a click to know they are secure. Pull tail of lower anchor strap to remove slack. Place belt tensioner over the lower anchor strap. Position the Easy Lock to set the pegs. Push down on the Easy Lock handle to close the belt tensioner. Now, reattach the belt path cover. Adjust the load leg so it has firm contact with your vehicle floor and is locked. There should never be space between the load leg foot and the vehicle floor. Check for tightness by grabbing the car seat at the belt path and make sure there is no more than 1 inch of movement. Pull out the tether from the storage compartment on the back of the Sirona S and place it over the car seat. Squeeze the recline handle and swivel the seat to a locked forward-facing position. Check the level indicator to ensure the recline ball is in the red zone when forward-facing. Locate the vehicle tether anchor and attach the Sirona S tether hook to the vehicle's tether anchor. Pull the tether strap to tighten. If installing next to a vehicle door, extend the linear side impact protection device.